Imposibleng hindi mo kaya kapag si Kristo ang iyong kasama. Siguradong hindi ka na asa. Napalong ginhawa, lagi kang may kasama. Siguradong hindi ka na mag-iisa. Sumuko ka kay Kristo, hindi sa hirap ng buhay mo. Hey! Imposibleng hindi mangyari, mga pangarap at plano pare, dahil ang Diyos natin.
Thomas, we heard the stories about Jesus by name, but I have a question for you. Do you know His by heart? Have you experienced His love in your life? Do you have a personal relationship with Jesus?